So now I'm going to show you how you burp. This is one video. I think you already seen me before. Whenever somebody came over and I
burped
at them.
Okay.
So this is an example. So basically, get the air and hold it in your neck. That would be easier. Hold on.
Oh God.
Here, stop.
Okay.
That's one example.
That's just an example.
That's one of my examples, really good ones. But this is a better one.
Pack down air in your throat.
That's another example.
That's like an Ava burp. That was suckish.
That was okay. That was actually a really good one. And this is the last one. Okay. There we go. That's how you burp. So that's my first video. Okay, bye.